Hello guys, welcome back to Maheen Math Tutorials. There's going to be Geometry Part 2. If you not see Part 1 yet, please see that one before you commence with the next chapter of this geometry series. So without further ado, let's begin. So, next question states, what is the supplementary angle of 30 degrees? Is it 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 150 degrees, or 120 degrees? Now, in order to answer this question properly, let me first go over what are complementary and supplementary angles. So whenever we are talking about complementary or supplementary angles, it really has to do with what does that particular angle add up to. So for example, on the left we have a complementary angle, on the right we have a supplementary angle. And if we recall back to previous lessons in trigonometry, a right angle is always going to be 90 degrees. However, when it comes to a straight line, it's always going to be 180 degrees. So, by looking at this particular example, I can make the deduction that a complementary angle will always be a part of an angle or a full angle that will always add up to 90 degrees, whereas a supplementary angle will always be part of an angle of a total angle that will add up to 180 degrees. So, for example, just to further emphasize this particular example, if this is 90 degrees and it's separated into two different angles, then this will be a 45-degree angle. This could also be a 45-degree angle, and it will still add up to 90 degrees. Now, of course, this doesn't always have to be like that. One could be like a little less than 45 degrees. The other one can just be a little bit more in order to add up to 90 degrees. For example, this particular part of this supplementary angle could be 150 degrees, where this particular part of the supplementary angle can be 30 degrees, and it can add up to 180 degrees. So, all in all, a complementary angle adds up to 90 degrees. A supplementary angle will only add up to 180 degrees. So, given that information, we can go back to the original question and answer it using simple arithmetic. What is a supplementary angle of 30 degrees? So basically what this question is saying, what is 180 degrees, which is one exactly straight line, because supplementary angles always adds up to 180 degrees because it's a straight line. What is 180 minus 30? Because the supplementary angle of 30 degrees would not include the full 180. You'll have one particular angle of the degree, that'll be a large chunk of it, and the other will be 30 degrees. So what would be 180 minus 30? Well, it will be 150 degrees. We got it right.